So we made a trip to Walgreens and we got ourselves a Silver Tempest with a little pin. We picked us up a Paradox Riff hanger, and we picked up this mix here. And we're gonna open these up and see what we got. This is kind of a cool little pin here. Oh, it's heavy. Pretty cool little pin, huh? What do we got here? A skunkfish. Skunkfisk. Is that really a bonus? Is it? Is it really a bonus? And we have Starly. Mill Street. Looks like a angry whatever. Carablast. Clarify. Cherry B. A reverse hollow of Piplup. And look at that. Arceus B. Full art. Nice. Very nice. And we got a Figabax, a Tendamas, a Springito, a Megamite, a Corviknight, a Seviper, Charles. Oh, reverse hollow is a Voldorb. Reverse over there. A Litleo. And our hollow is a Luxray. Rough. A Ron. Rylu. Starly. Sithar. Our reverse hollow is a Luxray. You know what? Put him up there. Heliolisk is our rare. Code card. Potion. A Aaron. Corpish. Energy Search. Sithar. Ooh, shiny energy. And our rare is a non-hollow Lycanroc. Code card. So we have NDD. Marini, Swirlix, Sandy, Toga Mario, yeah, Walmer, reverse hollow. And our rare is a non-hollow Talonflame. Code card. Oh, Fish, Goomy, Grubbin, Mankey, Gregoric. Oh, something. Can't tell. Use a code card. Grimhowl. Wiglet. The Future Boost Energy Capsule. A Screamtail. Reverse hollow Minoon. Oh, look at him. He's cool. Kapu Coco EX and a Brute Bonnet. So for our hollows, we have a Luxray, a Brute Bonnet, our full green energy, our Tapu Coco EX, which is pretty cool, and our Arceus. Well, thank you for watching, and please comment, like, and follow.